Hey everyone, this is Canada's Firework, and today we got a new Firework assortment. This one is called Surprise. It's by Royal Pyrotechnics, I think. Is it written somewhere? Yeah, right here. Yeah, Royal Pyrotechnics Firework Assortment. This firework assortment cost me $60. With tax, I think it was like $7.74, something like that. I will put it to the screen, and yeah, we will see what is inside there. So I cut the little tape. As you can see right here, there was a little tape, so I cut it. This is like the rules on the box, 1.4G, and yeah, I'm gonna open it up and see what's inside and if it's worth it. Oh, whoa, okay, a bag in a box. Okay, 30 seconds. There, so I open the bag, I will put it right here. I'm gonna see what is inside. So we got this colorful fountain. Cool fountain. Here are the effects. After that we got this. This is an assortment. The Super Boss kit. So I will probably do a video just on this one, because technically it's an assortment. It's a 4-pack assortment of motor. So yeah. Here we have, what is this? It's like a barrage. Rainbow Comet. It's a 35 shot barrage. So yeah, it's multiple Roman candle strap. Yeah, pretty cool. First time I had that in an assortment. Here we have a 5-ball rainbow. So it's a Roman candle. It's pretty simple. Yeah. Here we have red and green fountain. It's pretty popular in Royal Pyrotechnics assortment. We had some, like, a lot on the other video, so yeah, we all know what it does. Here we have a, I think it's 4 air bomb. No, this is a fountain. Okay. So this is an air bomb. Shadow. Okay. Green thunder bomb. Yeah, it's a salute. Here is a crackling thunder bomb. It's a salute. It's an air bomb. It's the same thing. It just does this one crack. Thunder bomb. After that we got this. This is a flower fountain. We got some in the last video, I think, from the urban assortment, so it's pretty standard. It's a fountain. Got this. This is the big silver fountain. I think it's the first time I have that. Looks pretty cool. It's pretty damn heavy. It's heavier than the flower fountain. I don't know if it's just an effect. I don't know if I can. We'll try to break this to see if it's full or not. So as you can see, it's not full, but it's practically full. It's, yeah. So kind of cool. I think it is a kind of good fountain. Okay, here we have a 10-ball rainbow Roman candle, 5-ball crackling, 5-ball rainbow, and a 10-ball chrysanthemum. So I paid this assortment $60 with tax. You will see at the screen what it does. I don't think it's worth it. Next part of the video will be to shoot these little things off, and this one will be his home video. So we're gonna start this assortment with the, what is this? It's the flower fountain. I'm just gonna put it in the mud. Got it! So flower fountain, we already did one in the last video, but we're gonna do it again. So 3, 2, 1. Hey, this one is cool. So here we have the colorful fountain. So yeah, so just gonna get my lighter here. So the colorful fountain in 3, 2, 1. It's lit. Oh yeah. Yeah, I think we already did one of these. These fountains are kind of cool, but yeah, it's simple. It's a fountain. Okay, so here we have the red and green fountain. We already did a lot of this, but they are cool. So yeah, red and green fountain in 3, 2, 1. It's lit. She has some good crackling start, this fountain. So we have, I don't know. It's a fountain. It's, yeah. Yeah, it's a red and green fountain, so it's, yeah. So here we have the, what is this? The big silver fountain. I never had that one, so I don't know what it will do, but yeah, I'm gonna try it. So big silver fountain by Royal Pyrotechnics. So here we go. It's lit. Please don't be a scam. Oh, what the heck? What is this? It's like a germ fountain. Whoa! What the heck? What the heck was that? What the heck? Oh my god, it wasn't a scam. Oh shit. It's hot. Here, so we have a Roman candle. This is a 5-ball rainbow. I'm gonna keep the other one. I have a 5-ball crackling here. The other one I'm gonna keep it for myself, because I bought the box. But yeah, so 5-ball rainbow Roman candle in 3, 2, 1. Fuck off. Oh, it's lit. It's shit. Oh shit. Oh, this one went pretty high. Wow. Okay. So 5-ball Roman candle, 5-ball crackling Roman candle in 3, 2, 1. I know my lighter. Oh my god. It's like a crackling comet. And it's finished. So yeah, pretty cool. So here we have the 35 shot rainbow comet. Where it is? It's there. So 35 shot of Roman candle, I think. So yeah, just gonna put it like in the snow. Okay, 35 shot comet. 3, 2, 1. It's lit. Adieu. Oh, what? Whoa, oh, oh, oh. Oh, oh, oh. It's all. I think it's all. It did not get the 35 shot. And something burned. I saw something burn. Yeah, it KO'd. Yeah, it's still engulfed in flame. So I'm gonna put it in the snow carefully, like right there. And we're gonna let it rest there for the rest of its time. Yeah. So I hope you like this video. Please share it with a like. And yeah, be careful with firework, guys. It's very dangerous. I hope you like this. Have a great day. Goodbye.